Unique Commodities. I am a brand rep. The only company that I currently rep. I don't want to rep a lot of companies. The reason for that is because, first of all, I end up having to buy a lot of product. And secondly, I still want to be able to be extremely truthful with all my reviews. And if I am a rep for every company, then I don't feel that I can actually be truthful. That said, I do love Unique Commodities 100%. I trust in their product, which is why I choose to rep them. All right, so first we have in here the invoice. And in the invoice we have, looks a piece of candy and a little thank you bomb. All right, this was from their restock, I believe, of last week or the week before. But let's see what we have in here. I'm going to unwrap everything and get back to you. All right, I am back. And so these are all the goodies that I have from Unique Commodities. We have the creamy mango apple body wash, or apples mango. And look how pretty it is. So shimmery. This was $14, although there's no pricing on my invoice. So I can't tell you the pricing of the rest because my memory is just not that great. Then we have the newly released Candied Rainbow Bath Brick. Isn't it pretty? And look at the shimmer. Love it. Next we have the Meh Bath Bomb. I guess those were, this was for people who really don't care about Valentine's Day. I actually love Valentine's Day. People always say, well, you can show love every day. But if the store is filled up with extra crazy stuff for me to actually act a fool over my man, I'm going to take advantage of all that stuff that's in the store. Because the stores don't have all that stuff. I show my man I love him every day. However, I don't mind going crazy on an extra day. I love him that much that I can go crazy. So this is a Meh Bath Bomb. And I wanted to see honestly, for those of us that actually do like Valentine's Day, some Valentine's Day stuff. But a lot of companies aren't doing that. They're doing a lot of these types. So no dig to Unique Commodities. I'm just being truthful. I want some love. So in that case, I ordered this beautiful, this is called Noir Rose, and it is scented in my favorite rose. Oh, look how pretty that shimmer is. Beautiful. So we have two of those. I might actually demo them together because they're so cute. We have the OG Truly Grape Bath Bomb. And you know what? This is a free gift from her, but I actually have one of these that I've been hoarding, so now I can actually use it because I love this thing. I love it. So now I can actually use the other one that I have. Then she has some really cute new stuff. Love me some me. I do. I do. And I don't know what the scent is on this, but it smells nice. Then she has her Unique Commodities new bath bombs. This is Limoncello. It is replacing her original OG Limoncello bath bomb, which was more like this, sort of shaped like a, bunt sort of. But yeah, really pretty. I love this scent, so thank you. And then we have this one here, which she sent as a free gift. And I was going to get it, and I was like, oh, you know what? My pockets are light, so I didn't get it, and she sent it anyway, so thank you very much. I didn't tell her I was short on cash. She just sent me some stuff because she's amazing. And I'll say one thing right now. Sometimes I mention that I don't purchase as much as I used to because I'm short on cash. That's not a beg for more product. That's so that the people who I used to support but can no longer support understand that that's why I'm not buying from them. It's not that the product's not amazing. It's not that I've decided I'm upset with the company or anything has ever happened with one of the bath bombs. I just want them to know, look, I can't afford to support you anymore. I used to buy about $800 worth of bath product a month, but now that I'm running my business, I can't do that. So I'm just saying that because I've heard people say that that's a passive aggressive way to beg. They didn't say it to me, but I've heard them complain about others saying that. And we really shouldn't judge people because we really don't know why they're saying what they're saying. We're not in their heads. They may be passive aggressively asking for something, but I know I'm not. So I'm not judging anybody when they say stuff like that. I did not ask this lady for anything free. I did not tell her I was short on cash. And yet she sent me this big, huge, amazing bath bomb. And then we have, so that was just my little blurb to those who keep saying that people are begging for stuff. They may be not. We don't know. So we probably shouldn't be judging people. All right, so this is the Snowflake Bath Bomb, and this is another one that I actually have her last year's copy of. So that I can use that one. I don't think it was as shimmery as this one, though. So thank you very much. I think this was one she threw in there too, because I don't remember ordering it because I knew I already had one. Yes, that's true. So again, we had the Apple Mango. I'll say Unique Commodities. The Apple Mango body wash. This stuff is amazing. And I think I had a little sample, by the way. I do. This is a Desert Bloom body wash, and I love the way the colors blend together. But anyway, back to this one. I had one of that smaller size of this, and when it was gone, I was sad, so I ordered it in the larger size because this thing is just awesome. The scent is just right up my alley. We had the 2 small roses scented in rose jam. We had the Med Bath Bomb. We have this beautiful new brick of hers. It's called Candied Rainbow Bath Brick. The Snowflake, the Truly Grape OG Bath Bomb. She has now made this, I believe, into something like this, maybe? I can't remember. It's a different shape now. We had the Limoncello. We have the Love Me Some Me. And amazingly, this huge branded bath bomb. All right, guys, that's it for Unique Commodities. And I will talk to you guys on the next one.